What's up, everybody? Bringing you a quick video on how to remove the glove box from a 2016 Toyota Highlander or comparable. In case you're wondering or need to pull it out and can't figure it out or don't want to damage anything, it's real simple. I'm going to show you real fast. Here we go. Pop it down, and you're just going to press in right here on the stopper, and you can feel it kind of pop loose, and then go ahead and do it on the other side, and it's going to rotate down, and then you just pull it towards you, and there you have it. Glove box is out. Put it back in, just line it back up. These, there you go. Told you, super quick and easy. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you found this helpful. We'll let you get back to your day. Thanks.